You're ready.
Yep. Is it on? All right, I can edit that out. Hey guys, Dr. Brian Burnett here, your Tallahassee and North Florida area chiropractor. And today I'm here with Liza, our new marketing intern, and today she is going to get her very first chiropractic adjustments. Liza, how do you feel?
I'm excited.
Excited? Are you a little nervous?
Yeah.
All right, so she's about to get cracked like a glow stick. Before I adjust her, I just did an exam on her. Liza told me that she's been having some mid-back pain because she's been working out, doing some deadlifts recently, but after my exam, I don't see any contraindications to doing adjustments. So are you ready?
Yes.
All right, let's do it to it. All right, go ahead and stand right there, lean into the table. All right. Right down. Scoot up to the head of the table. Rest your arms right here. So I noticed when I was checking her posture that her right hip is a little high, and usually that correlates with the right leg being short, but her leg length is balanced today, so that's good. Alright, bring the table down. Alright, so I'm going to apply a thrust here in the mid-back. You may hear some popping and cracking. That's perfectly normal. Should not cause any pain or discomfort. Alright, deep breath in. Let it out. Ooh, there we go. Got a lot of movement there. That feel alright?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Go ahead and lay on your right side. Face me. Alright, bottom leg straight. Bend this top knee. Rest your hand here. There we go. That feel okay?
Yeah.
Face up. On your back, I'm going to pull this board out and sit up and lay back. Cross your arms, right over left, deep breath in, let it out. There we go. Got some more movement there. That feel all right?
Yeah.
Good. Lay on your left side. All right, we're going to adjust that right pelvis. Bend this knee a little bit more. Oh, there we go. Face up. That moved really nice. Really had to touch that. You relax your arms to your side. Just relax. Give me the weight of your head. Oh, very nice. My favorite part. Relax. Oh, very nice. How'd that feel?
That's nice.
Go ahead and sit up.
Thanks.
Awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.